Alright, so we've exported out that CSV file out of Excel. In order to prepare to import it into Law, what we need to do is go up to Index, and we're going to modify the field. Okay? Once we're in the Modified Fields windows, we're going to add a field, and we're going to name this Image 2012-07-27. We're going to leave it at the document level, and we're going to insert it at the top of the list, okay? When it asks you if you'd like to add another field now, select No, and we're going to close. And you definitely want to save the changes. If you don't save the changes, it won't save that file or that field into the table. Okay. So now we'll be able to go to File, Import, and we're going to create a tag list. When you click on the tag list, it'll bring up this window. We're going to browse out to the location where our file is. In this instance, we're going to go to volume 4, and this is the tag list right here that we created in Excel. Hit open. Very important to make sure that you hit first row contains the field names. This is, if you open up the file, you'll see that the doc ID is right there, okay? And that's important. If not, it's going to be looking for doc ID within the doc ID field, and it's going to throw you an error. The other thing that might come up is if you don't have this window closed, you're going to throw an error because it's trying to access a file that's already opened. So we're going to close this. We've already saved it. The doc ID field should be doc ID, not beg doc number. Okay? We're going to change the target field to the new one that we just created, Image 2012-07-27. We're going to update it, and we're going to say Y. Okay? So that's going to say anywhere when the doc ID comes in, for all the ones in the load file, you're going to go to this field right here, the Image 2012-07-27, and you're going to update that field with a Y. Hit add. If you don't hit add, it won't do anything because you haven't really set it up. And you're going to hit OK. All right. So now, just to make sure that we did that, we can run a search. We're going to say search for that field that we created, Image 2012-07-27. And we can say equals Y. Make sure again to add the condition. Make sure that the grid view is embedded and hit execute. And now you'll see those 20 documents that came up. Okay.